Hello everyone, this is Patrick, and today in the Drum Pass studio, we're gonna learn how to play the drums. But of course, before we do, we have to understand first the drum kit components. In the drum kit components, we have what we call shells, cymbals, and hardware. In the shells, we have the snare drum, also known as snare, and sounds like this. The first tom, also known as tom 1. The second tom, also known as tom 2. And the third tom, also known as floor tom and low tom. In the lower part of the drums, we have what we call the bass drum, and sounds like this. Now that's all for the shells. Let's move to the cymbals. In the cymbals, we have the hi-hat cymbals, the crash cymbal, and the ride cymbal. Finally, we move to the hardware. In the hardware, we have the cymbal stands. Here, in this case, the hi-hat cymbal stand, the crash cymbal stand, and the ride cymbal stand. And in the lower part of the drums, we have the snare stand, which holds the snare, the bass drum pedal, which we press with our right foot, and the hi-hat cymbals pedal, which we press with our left foot. And of course, finally, the chair I'm sitting on, which we call the drum throne. This drum set is for right-handed drummers. Now, in case you're a left-handed drummer, the hi-hat cymbals would take place here, the ride cymbal here, the crash cymbal here, the snare drum here, floor tom here, first tom, second tom, and you'll be pressing the bass drum with your left foot and the hi-hat cymbals pedal with your right foot. In the next video, we'll learn the drumstick parts, how to grab the sticks, and how to move your wrists while playing on the drums.
Don't forget to like and drop your thoughts and requests in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe so we can keep the drums community growing.